Built-in crouching leaves a bit to be desired really. So you've bound your key, you've built a node graph that toggles between the crouched and the uncrouched state, you start up the game and you get this. Not great. So we're going to make a version of that that smoothly interpolates between the two. First we'll make a couple of new variables, set them to be floats, so we'll call them standing half height and crouching half height, and we'll compile them and set them to 96 and 40. Now I'm going to add a few more variables such as current half height, which is the same as standing, crouch speed, which is 2, and the imaginatively titled my crouching, which is a boolean. All our input event is going to do is toggle the value of my crouching. Now we'll make a new function called update crouching, and we'll give it an input of a float called delta seconds, and inside that function we're going to set the value of current half height using finterp, which will interpolate between two values based on what we pass into it, which will be the current height, the crouch speed, the amount of time that's passed as delta seconds, and for target we're going to select between crouching and standing half height based on the value of the my crouching boolean. Then we'll use the current half height to set the height of the actual collision capsule for the player. Next we just need to add a tick event to our character, and we're going to use that so that every frame we can call our update crouching function and pass in the amount of time which has occurred since the last frame. And now we get this. It interpolates slowly between the two values that we've set. We could change those values, make the crouch lower, make the movement faster, and this would happen instead. And we're done. Thanks for watching.